So you got 50 plus WooCommerce categories in your shop and you hate scrolling forever to tick a checkbox. And sometimes on the front end, your customers have to click through 5 levels to find anything. Imagine this instead. Type a few letters and boom! In under a single second, you'll have a result. Check this out. I type 3 letters in the search box and I'll have instantly filtered categories. Same thing works on the front end too. Everything narrows down as you type. No clicking, no scrolling. As you see, I'm running this on a store with 200 categories and the difference is huge. Now, let me show you how to add this to your site. Now, before I proceed, I have to give you a small background information. That is, currently I'm in the middle of the WordPress productivity hack series, and this is the 4th or 5th video of the series. I'm gonna put the link to the free plugin I'm gonna use in this video in the video description. I have made this custom plugin for myself and for my customers, so feel free to download it and use it as you like. Also take a look at the downloads menu up here. There are a bunch of other plugins and I have made a separate video about most of these here. And as I mentioned, it is a part of the WordPress productivity hack series I'm currently making. Speaking of making WordPress more productive, there's another tool that over 2 million websites are already using. Elfsight offers widgets for everything. That is social feeds, forms, reviews, more than 90 widgets for every occasion. But one in particular caught my attention, and that is their AI chatbot. Have you ever considered how much business you're losing because people leave your site with unanswered questions? Well, this is exactly where Elfsight comes in and really stands out. You can train your AI chatbot with web pages, files, questions and answers, and so on. And if someone asks a question, then look, the bot gives the answer instantly. Normally you would have to email support and wait for it, but here, boom, and done. And check this out, you can fully customize it in seconds. You can change the design, you can connect your own FAQs, upload files, add your own questions and answers, and it's all super easy. Basically, it's like having a support agent that never sleeps. It answers everything about your products, shippings or returns, and it does it 24/7. And it's not just a demo, because businesses are already using this to save hours of support time. It works on any website, supports 76 countries, and formats everything to look professional. Setting this up is super easy and super fast. Check the link below and see for yourself. Okay, now let's go to the dashboard, and after installing the plugin, go to the WooCommerce settings, open up products, scroll down and you'll see there are plugin related settings. First, you can change the placeholder text, and the placeholder text is this one here. Next one, hide the uncategorized category from the widget. This is useful if you don't use a default WooCommerce uncategorized category. Next one, make all nested categories collapsible. When I deactivate and save it, let's refresh the page. You'll see now the categories are expanded here. I don't like it, therefore I'm gonna make them collapsible. I'm gonna sort categories by product count in a way that they are descending, but you can also sort them alphabetically and by product count. Next, hide empty categories. When I deactivate it, save it and refresh it, you'll see instead of a couple of categories, I have 200 categories and most of them are empty. In order to see how many products are added to the category, I'm gonna deactivate hide product count number. Let's save it, refresh it, and you'll see now it displays the product count here. So I'm gonna hide empty categories, save it, and now next part, how to display this widget. Just grab this shortcode or any other example here. For example, let's grab this shortcode. Let's go to the appearance and widgets, but you can also display this widget anywhere else, on pages, post, wherever you like. I'm going to open up the WooCommerce sidebar. I'm using the Blocksy theme and therefore it has a separate WooCommerce sidebar. If you're using any other theme, then choose the widget area you would like to display it, add a shortcode block, paste it here, and now what happens? Show title true means this title here is displayed, but I can add my own title, for example, my categories. By default, the category title is something else, for example. Let's refresh it here, and search categories is a default category name. But you can add your own title, for example, my categories, and when you update it, refresh it, you'll see this here. If you don't want to display the title, then don't use this part and set this to false. Let's update it, refresh it, and done. Now, one thing I would like to point out is that when I go to the products, all products, as you see, this product here, when I open it up, it belongs to this category and to these categories. Let's take a look at this romantic skirts category. It's a third level category. Let's search for romantic skirt. It displays the parent category. You have to toggle to see what is the category it belongs to. It doesn't display the third level category outside the nested category. So this is the limitation you would need to know. And yeah, it works like a charm. Let's go to the products themselves. I'm going to open up any random product. Scroll down. You'll see the category search here. I have 200 categories. Scrolling through them would be a pain in the rear end. Therefore, this becomes especially handy when I look for albums, for example, or skirt, whatever it is. It's lightning fast, works like a charm. It makes your life much easier if your shop has a lot of categories. Before I proceed with the video, don't forget to smash that like button down below here. It means a lot to me and it also helps my channel. So I would appreciate your help. Okay, as I mentioned, I'm in the middle of the productivity hack series, and in one of the videos I showed you how to create a custom admin dashboard like this one here. You not only have a dashboard, you can add your own custom links here. If you go to the settings and custom dashboard, you can customize it to display your custom links. You can add role-based admin dashboard pages and so on. This video where I show you how to use it is on the screen right now, so be sure to take a look at it next. In the meantime, take care.